This is a 1948 Hudson Commodore four-door sedan, and if you remember the motion picture Driving Miss Daisy, this is the same kind of car that she was chauffeured around in. This is a two-tone maroon and red car, beautifully done. It's an auction car, so I have the freedom to open the doors, and I just did here. Check out the back seat here. You can see it's well upholstered, very comfortable looking, and notice the wood trim accents throughout. Beautiful. Very luxurious. Notice in the back there is a compartment where you could put objects in the back of the front seat. Now here in the front, we continue on with that faux wood theme on the dash. This car has manual transmission. Lots of chrome. And you probably notice it has two glove boxes, one on the right and one on the left. Very large trunk, and it looks like torsion bars keep the trunk lid open. Very early use of that. Backup lamps there on the bumper. Large spare. And along the side here, above the windows, you may notice the little sun shields. Help keep the rain out if you had the window open partially. And again, another view of the very luxurious dash. Here you have a view of the sun visor, which was popular on cars back at that time, and the aerial was midway in the roof. There you could see it, and the Hudson